Hi, in this video I will tell you how to create account on Facebook. It is very simple. Firstly, you have to download the Facebook app and then install it. Then click on Facebook. Here click on create new account. Click get started. Your first name and last name for your account. So I am giving here.
आपका पूरा नाम क्या है? अपना पहला नाम दर्ज करें, फिर अपना उर्दू नाम दर्ज करें।
This is just for example. Here
आपकी
give your
तारीख
birthday.
पैदाइश क्या है? अपनी तारीख पैदाइश मुंतखब करें।
I am
आप
just
इसे
giving
बाद
just
में
example.
कभी भी प्राइवेट बना सकते हैं।
Select your gender here.
आपकी जिन्स क्या है? आप बात यहाँ अपना
Now here you have to give your number.
ईमेल एड्रेस के जरिए भी कम से कम 6 हरूफ और
Here
नंबर का
create your own
पासवर्ड
password.
इसे
The
कुछ
password
ऐसा
must be
होना
6
चाहिए कि
letter
दूसरे
at
इसका
least
अंदाजा
and
ना लगा पाए।
with the numbers. So I am creating a password. Click I agree to agree the Facebook terms and policies. Here you have to write in confirmation code which was sent to your phone number, which you have already written. Here I am writing the OTP, the confirmation code which was sent to the mobile number. Here you can add the profile picture or you can skip it. I am skipping here. On this screen you can turn on the contact so your friend can find you faster, but I am here skipping now, so click on not now, skip. I am skipping is this as well. So this is how you have created your Facebook account.